Hello you! Welcome to Mayan's vlog! Are you looking for a tropical forest? Here in the Green Planet, you will explore the recreational tropical forest with 3,000 plants and animals. Once you enter, Mr. Janitor Fish will welcome you, and the main entrance is surrounded by a large aquarium. Here, you can see a different kind of fish like various piranhas, catfish, and squirting fish. After experiencing the marine creature, let's explore more. Just ride an elevator and you will start your journey at the level 4 and going down to see the whole marine life here in Green Planet. Did you know that Green Planet is an enclosed ecosystem that's showing you the tropical rainforest within a biodome sheltering colorful birds, reptiles, and so much more? This is the beginning of our exploration in this big dome. Look, I saw a toucan bird, a very popular bird because of the oversized and colorful bill. Such amazing. The next is the bat cave. Here you can try to feed the dozen of fruit bats. This is an extraordinary experience to feed the bat with the guided of the expert staff. Really, such an amazing and special experience. Just keep walking and explore the place. What a surprising to see a big tree in this big dome. And also, we saw a hanging bridge where you can feel you're in a real forest. And of course, the celebrity bird. I am very excited to try to walk in this hanging bridge. What a beautiful and a very nice place. It is really worth it to visit this area.
Face your fear.
Hindi ko kaya, sorry. I'm gonna touch the snake. I cannot. Better to focus my attention to this cute raccoon. It has a black mask across the eyes and its tail is ringed with 5 to 10 black bands. What a cute animals. Here at the level 3 where all the reptiles are here in this level, you can see and watch for this level. You will see the snake, turtle, lizard, and crocodile and how they are living in the nature.
Found the gecko is here.
See? Let's take a look more. We are now going down and you can see a lot of different things here, same as what you see in the forest. Here we are again, and she finds another snake to be touched. Go, 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 friend!
We're now at the level 2 where you can see all the rainforest here.
The types of animal lives in the rainforest are the sloth, tapirs, and jaguar. The warm, moist environment is also an ideal habitat for the reptiles and amphibians. In this part, you will experience the underground cave where the structure and design to create a heaven and serenity and calm views. It was very cool and awesome.